Hi y'all, today I just want to show you a few photos or videos of my springtime. I have a quick garden tours in March. Let's go! Currently this year my daffodils and hyacinth, they are kind of a little slow blooming. We had like a very warm mild winter, and they seem to slow down. Usually last year or the year before they will bloom like in January, but I am in March right now. But this is flowering queens, and they are about to be busted out with like, oh, I can't imagine. All those will be filled with hot red colors. Last year I got a couple of peonies right here in the middle, and they got so big, interfering with my English dwarf English boxwood, so they got moved out there. These are some hyacinths and some little cute daffodils. I hope the squirrels or whatever didn't eat all of my bulbs underneath there, but tulips should be coming up soon somewhere. The tulips, I love the tulips. Well, this peach flowering, not this is the fruit. I can't remember the varieties, but these babies are loading up in the next month or so. Everything is kind of a month or two late. Down here, some daffodils, some more daffodils. And I'm not sure, I can never pronounce this guy, but they're so cool. They look like onions. Sometimes I think I accidentally just kind of pull those out, but these should be onions. These are not. There's a little bit more over there. These are tulips. They're about to come up. My artichokes are not doing so well here, but they're struggling. They're trying. Still got three. I had four, but three survived. Not sure about that guy there. Some carrots over there. I did never pick them because the guinea pig ate them, and so I left them, but they seeded, and some of those little ones right there coming up. Some cilantros. I used to have cilantro bush around here, and I let them grow, and whew, a lot of cilantros. Gardenias are gonna be next. Still have another flowering queens right here. This area is not as hot at the front, so they are not as big, and plus it's like 1 year younger than the front. Shatter daisies like about to come out, but around here we got a couple of daffodils going on. I can't wait for that Crema Supreme baby to bloom. This year is loaded. Last year only got 3, but this is a Crema Supreme camellias. I love this one. I can't wait for it to grow and kind of like fill this up. But yeah, it's a little bit slow, but that's okay. I don't need anything to grow so fast. It takes me so much time to prune. Wrapped around here a little bit more, got daffodils, some colors. I'm able to propagate a couple of these Crema Supremes, and it's gonna be very slow growing. Some mints are still survive under the oak tree here. A little bit of onions and garlic over there, and a lot of cilantros going on in here, but that's pretty much what grows in the winter. Little fig baby is still asleep. So my artichokes, I moved them out. They used to be over there, once they grown so big. This year I'm gonna have some new plan for this area. But the artichokes, very nice silvery leaves. They're so beautiful. They were 1 year old. I started last March, and this is like 1 year old from seed, and they grow so well. So I just started some more seeds, and I can't wait to have all of these filled with artichoke bushes. These are just the hedge that I got cuttings from the privet side there, hedge there, and I can't wait for this empty section to filled up, and I threw some grass and some winter leaves here, and they're working. There's a lot of worms underneath here. I just threw some seeds down here, and hopefully we'll have some more carnations or milkweeds for the butterfly. Hopefully I can get some milkweed going, because last year the rabbit ate all of them over there. And some carnations. I love carnations. They're so beautiful. Let me go around. I know it's a little weedy right now, but my flowering peach I propagated last year. This is like only 6 inches or less, and it's loaded with flowers. I love this, and I'm gonna propagate some more. It's such easy to propagate shatter daisies. A lot of weeds that I need to work on here, but I just enjoy those weeds. On the side of the house, I just started some seed for some more artichokes. I'm going to put them on the side of the house there. Well, I'm going to create an artichoke hedge, some radishes and kohlrabies and daikons and beets, some, what is this one, Chinese celery, some radishes that needs to be eaten. There's radish down there. Some mustard greens, some more cilantros and onions, garlic chive, sorrels, and fish mint's about to push out. Some more mint over there. And this is the mama plant that I bought. It was 5 years ago. It's a 6 inches big as the other one that I just show you. But man, these are like, I love these every year. They're so beautiful, like such a showing beautiful tree, and it's grow very slow, super slow, which is great. This year this blueberry is loaded. This is from a cutting from a co-worker, and I did some more cutting from that plant, and the rabbits and the deer keep munching these down along with my husband's mowing. This is an Asian pear. Just gave a haircut a few weeks ago, and they are ready to push out. These flowers are white. They're beautiful. Another one. This is a giant giant or something, Korean pear. Should be pretty good. There's really good. Some more blueberries. High bush, low bush, I don't remember. I just know they're blueberry, and there's something else on there. Some more radishes. Peonies about to push out. Peonies are along there. They're maybe in May. Well, maybe not 2 more months. Okay. Some more cilantro. Cilantro's everywhere. Radishes are everywhere. And some more Chinese cilantro back here. Gardens, not much going on. Just some green onions are coming from the shallot, you know, the red shallot, and some garlic chive. Some fish mints are in there hiding. Overgrown or bolting mustard greens. Oh, these are so beautiful. These are also some greenery, some mustard greens, some green vegetables, and it's been very hot, and they've been bolting, and the bees love them. I mean, they're beautiful. Just some. If you don't grow anything, you know, you don't know what to grow these a very nice yellow color. If you like color, like yellow. And some of these already start growing seed. I just let the seeds fall over the summer. They're not gonna do anything except sleep, and then in the winter they just come up. It's garlic and some extra onions. A couple of giant mustard here is also wanting to bolt because it's been pretty warm. I put down some sunflower seeds along there and along there, and 3 peony seeds starting in that corner. So they'll be sleeping for a year or 2. Hopefully I get some sprouting, if not next year. These are English roses, 3 bushes. These are supposed to be thornless, but they're They have a little thorn, except this guy, nah, this is regular. I got a lot of thorns. And I got 2 ice-told peonies. These are yellow last year, so they're kind of coming up now. The tree peonies, you know, in between. There's another guy here. Can't wait. Never had a yellow peonies. Some cuttings of persimmons and pomegranates and such over there, just for fun and see how it's gonna go. And some more bok choy. Bok choy is overgrown, but very beautiful color. My tree peonies are loaded with flowers in there. They usually bloom in March, but they're probably gonna be a little bit late. This year they might be blooming in April. Like everything's being pushed back. I'm gonna have about 6 of these giant, beautiful white tree peonies flowers, and that is it. This is my next adventures over here. I'm trying to encroach out a little bit more. A little strawberry there. I have some pots over here, not pans, but I plan to have some sunflowers along the edge, and then have some potted plants over here for something that likes a little bit more shadier. This year, the 2 addition to my garden is going to be 2 pawpaw trees. Not sure what it's going to be, but if you like to follow those pawpaw babies, you know, click that subscribe button, and I will update you on those later.